Now, News 8's weather on the 8s with meteorologist Joe Calhoun.
6:38 is a look live over York. It's clear, but it's cold out there. You know, I looked at the stats, 62 on December 1st. Every day since we have been in the 30s, folks. And it looks like it's staying there today. Here's the News 8 Storm Team forecast. Cold, blustery, mix of clouds and sunshine. Yeah, it could be a flurry, especially north and west. In the 30s today, and then as we go through the overnight hours, it looks like we'll have partly cloudy skies. It'll be brisk, it'll be cold. Ooh, 20s overnight tonight. Again, the winds die down later tonight with less wind tomorrow. Should feel better out there with mostly sunny skies. Looks like a pretty good day indeed. Right now, 26 northwest winds or west winds at 9, making it feel like it's 17 degrees out there. Most temperatures around the valley in the 20s this morning. When you add in that little bit of a wind, it makes it feel like teens. Look at Lewistown. Wind chill of 8 degrees right now. Wind chill in Lancaster at 12. Now, those cold winds coming across the Great Lakes causing a few flurries out there, but they're very, very much on the light side. You can see them just kind of wisping on through over the lakes. Once in a while, they'll make it into the valley. You can go topside and on the satellite view. You can see that big circulation all around the northeast and those cold winds coming across the Great Lakes. Look at this. Storm down the south, ice and snow. Parts of Mississippi and Alabama, maybe heading into Georgia. Yeah, but that's not bothering us. That storm's going to stay well to our south. There's that other storm, the windy weather maker. That's moving away. High pressure will build in. That'll let the winds die down. Now, there's another storm that's going to move across the lakes, going to bring in some clouds as we head into Friday. And it looks like maybe some flurries with that, but behind it, it should get a little milder, temporarily anyway, as we head through the weekend. I'm talking about some 40-degree weather. So the cold air is here. Here's the jet stream. Let me show you what happens. We start to see that cold air lift out, that chilly air move in. Freezing temperatures down in Florida this morning. They warm up a little bit. So we moderate. But then bitter cold air starts pouring in. We get some rain. We get a storm coming through behind it. I'll tell you what, we're 30s this week. Possibility, there's some days next week we don't get out of the 20s. 30s for the next couple of days. Again, some flurries around on Friday. Doesn't look like a problem, though. Could be a mixed bag of precipitation. Snow to maybe some ice, and then changing the rain Saturday night into Sunday. Well, most of Sunday is rainy, then windy and bitterly cold next week. Look at those numbers. Freezing or below for next week. Brr, bundle up. Partly cloudy, windy, cold day today. The kids are bundling up. Say head off to Juniata High School. Blustery afternoon, around 34 degrees today. So yeah, it's cold.
Yeah, with that precip coming, those temperatures, fine line there.
Yeah, but I think it's mostly a rainstorm just because of the track. It's going to be a major snowstorm over the weekend, but probably Ohio, Illinois, Indiana, and out in the Great Lakes.
All right, thanks.